The first disqualification complaint on a party-list group has been filed with the poll body on vote-buying allegations involving giveaways of brand spanking new cars in Batangas province. Poll body authorities, though, have opted to stay mum in issuing comments, not until after the evidence gathered has been vetted, as our Luisa Erispe reports.
The Construction Workers Solidarity Party List is now facing a disqualification case after they raffled off 3 cars as prizes during the Barako Fest in Batangas. In the petition filed by incumbent Mataas na Kahoy Vice Mayor Jay Ilagan before the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, he insisted that this may be considered vote buying.
Ang aking panawagan sa Commission on Election, kami ay tumugon sa kanilang panawagan. Sana naman ay ang kasong ito ay mabigyan ng mabilis ang action.
The petitioner believes he holds strong pieces of evidence against the party. Aside from video clips, he insisted they have transcript records that the winners as well as the LGU thanked the party list for the raffled cars.
Maliwanag at supported na mga evidence na siya ay nagbigay ng pabuya ng 3 kotse. At ito ay maliwanag na paglabag sa Omnibus Election Code ng ating bansa.
On the other hand, CWS Party List Representative Edwin Garjola said they have yet to receive the petition, but vows that they did not violate any election rules and that they will face the allegations. But the COMELEC said they are ready to investigate the said petition. However, they cannot determine yet if participating in raffle draws may be considered as vote buying.
Yan ay kaagad nating a-actionan sapagkat nararapat lamang kapag ganito naghihintay kasi ang sambayanan ng serious ba talaga ang COMELEC na labanan yung issue ng vote buying.
The poll body warned other candidates that they will not stop from investigating any form of vote-buying complaint lodged before their office.
Bilang babala rin sa ating mga kababayang kandidato, iiwasan yung mga bagay-bagay na maaari magkaroon ng hinala ang sambayanan na namimili ka ng boto. Yan yung sinasabi natin. Napakahirap na may kaso sa amin. They can be disqualified and at the same time pwede namin sila ipakulong. Kasi ang vote buying ay isang kasong kriminal.
As of now, this is the 3rd incident that COMELEC will be investigating in connection with vote buying. The others are from Benguet and Quezon City, but this is the first to be formally filed before their office. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.